Hi everyone, this is Aya from Hinawi Software. Basically, in this video, I will show you a quick demonstration on this great feature, which is the advanced search. So in the advanced search, it allows you and provides you the opportunity to find the exact employee you're looking for based on several filtering processes. So all you have to do is click on it. It will display for you this window, and then you start filtering. So basically, we filter, for example, that we want all employees which are located in, for example, Petra Uni Workshop, not Hayat Fund. And then in the departments, we're looking for only people who are in the IT department. As you see here, the employees started becoming less and less. Now, in the positions, we only want those positions who are in the IT manager positions, only one employee. If we change that to, for example, programmer, notice here, again, they are changed. Okay. Also notice that based on our answers, some options also change. So when I select IT manager, nationalities become only local because apparently the only IT manager in this company, in this department and position is a local employee in this location. So look here, we select the positions we want, and then we only want people who are, for example, a Jordanian and Muslim, for example, married. Notice they are all disappeared. For example, if we select single, they are all still there. Female, they're becoming 3 now. In this bank, okay, only 1 is left. If we select those 2 banks, 2 employees are left, people who are active. So those 2 employees are still there. And now we can filter the age, and we can filter by on work or on leave. We can filter by the date of birth, and we can filter by if we want the graduation year. And then we will see here the final result where we can select the employee we want and see the profile. And that's it. This is our video for today. I hope it's very clear and easy to follow. Please don't forget to watch our other videos and subscribe to our channel to see more and more new videos. Thank you.